Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over how to trim out sensors when you're doing a bulk paint protection film installation. We have a 22 Tesla Model Y right over here. We just did a bulk PPF install on the rear bumper, and I'm going to show you how I go about trimming out those sensors. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now I'm going to take and trim out all of these sensors. So I'm only going to show you in depth how to do one or two of them, and then the rest will all be sped up. So I want to make sure my blade is about, I got about one blade, one snap off blade out. Now this could be hard to show, but I like to start at the top, and I like to do this in halves. So I like to come and just do a nice, slow, consistent cut all the way around. And I like to come back up to the top and do the other side. And pop that out. That's one sensor, 5 more to go. It's hard to talk while doing sensors. You're so focused. Okay, we'll do the rest. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.